Clear or not? Welcome all of you. Am I audible? So today's topic is surds and exponents. Another topic on numbers or algebra simplification also is involved in this. So invite all your friends to this course. It's a complete free course for GATE 2023. So all of your friends can be invited. Any friends preparing for any GATE stream, any engineering streams, any pure science streams, ये course common होगा. 29 streams are there. All the streams, aptitude section is common. So invite all your friends very soon. Copy this link and share it with all your friends through Telegram or WhatsApp or Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups. Spread the word. Let more people join this free initiative so that more free initiatives can be started. For the new people, this is the bio of me, and these are the books I have written for General Aptitude section and Vedic mathematics, and this is the current bestseller book for General Aptitude section of NET exam, CSIR-NET exam preparing aspirants. This book you can follow, and this is how you can be part of my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. In the description of this video also you can see all the free resources I provide for General Aptitude section. Join them and learn more of General Aptitude and Vedic mathematics. So audio video clear now? Please mention audio video clear or not. Learn more of General Aptitude. Yes, audio video is clear. So let's start. So today we are discussing surds and exponents, which is comparatively a simple topic which you all know I guess, but some questions are tricky. ये chapter का continuation होगा. कल का chapter logarithms, how surds and exponents are connected to logarithm. You will understand properly by understanding this chapter. You will understand next chapter also properly. Yeah, this basic definitions तो सबको पता है. What is exponents and what is exponential form. When a number is multiplied by itself several times, it can be written in short with the help of exponents. So these notes I will provide in the PDF I provide in the Telegram channel. Exclusive Telegram channel is there. Those people who want to be part of it, in the description of this video the link is available, and also in this live chat also you will see that link. For example, when you see 4 raised to 3, उसका मीनिंग क्या है? That is 4 into 4 into 4. That is the meaning of it ना. सबको पता है ना ये. 5 raised to 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 से multiply कर रहा है 4 बार. That is the meaning ना. Again, understand it deeply. Then most of the exponent rules also you will easily understand. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 है मतलब इसको combine करना भी possible है. 5 into 5 25. 5 into 5 25 मतलब वो 25 square से भी equal है. That is another law we have used there indirectly. 5 को 25 raised to half और square root लिखा, उसके बाद raised to 4 लिखा, तो a raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Yeah, that I will discuss in detail. Don't worry, when we discuss laws of exponents I will discuss in detail. But my point is, just like all other previous classes, instead of rote learning, we are trying to understand things more deeply. When you see 5 raised to 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, think about what all you can do, what all manipulations you can do. Have a focus on that thing also. Then the so-called laws or rules that you have by-hearted in school days is not necessary. And then the good thing is, logarithm also will become very simple. Because logarithm is also nothing but a different way of notating the same. 5 raised to 4 simplify किया तो 625 मिलेगा. Logarithm में 5 raised to 4 is 625. This is the exponential form. The logarithmic form of the same thing can be written as log 625 to the base 5 is 4. This and this are the same. This is the exponential form, this is the logarithmic form. Logarithmic form in detail tomorrow we will discuss, but understand that these two are one and the same thing. 5 raised to 4 is 625 का meaning पता है ना. तो log 625 to the base 5 means 5 का ये base, this is also base ना. ये base का कौन सा power है 625. That is a meaning of log 625 to the base 5. Similarly, if it is log x to the base or log a to the base b, b का कौन सा power है a? That is the meaning of it. b का कौन सा power है ये? That means exponential form में b raised to x is a. That means log a to the base b is x. Are you understanding? So if you understood these two are same things, it will be very easy. You don't have to rot learn logarithmic rules also, because exponential rules itself, logarithmic rules may be effective hoga. Okay, so I think that much is clear. So the terminology is here. Yeah, the terminologies we are using here in logarithm also we use the same terminology. 5 raised to 4 में 5 is the base and 4 is the exponent na? And in logarithm case, as I told, log 625 to the base 5. 5 का कौन सा power है? That power will be the exponent part. That will be in the right hand side of logarithmic form of the same expression. I hope that is clear, all of you. And logarithm, if you want more clarity, don't worry. Tomorrow's topic is logarithm. There we will discuss more about it. So exponential form sabko pata hai, and surds are actually exponential form itself raised to fraction power. I will come back to that, what is surds and different types of surds. Before that, laws of exponents we will discuss in detail. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents means rules when exponents are there or powers are there. What are the rules? And all of you, please invite your friends. Let more people join. Today the crowd is not that much as yesterday. All of you make sure your friends are invited and more people are joining this live session. More crowd coming, that will be ensuring that more free courses and free lectures will continue. So anyway, laws of exponents ka first set of rules are when the bases are same, how to multiply and divide. When bases are same, for example, 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 3 kya hoga? 2 raised to 4 plus 3 hoga. To multiply it, you just add up the powers only if bases are same. Again, don't by heart that also, understand it. 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 3, if you calculate it, what you will get? 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. 2 raised to 3 is what? 8. 16 into 8, if you multiply, you will get 128. And 2 raised to 7 is also 128. Are you understanding? Because if you practically think about it, 2 raised to 4 ka meaning kya hai? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube kya hai? 2 into 2 into 2. ये मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है मतलब 2 का 7th पावर ले रहा है ना. Understand it like that. That is what I told. When 5 raised to 4 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, understand how all you can manipulate it. Similarly, 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 3 का meaning क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 है ना. That is this cancel, this cancel, this cancel, only 2 remains. Or in other words, we can say it is 2 raised to 4 by 2 raised to 3 is 2 raised to 4 minus 3. The powers will get cancelled. That is why you can subtract it. That is why you can subtract it. That also only if bases are same this will happen na. Base different hai to aisa nahi hoga. So 2 raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 minus 3, 2 raised to 1, 2 will be the answer. I hope all of you are getting it. So if bases are same, that is what is happening. If powers are same, what will happen? Go through this. I will just come in 30 seconds. Go through this super fast. Yes, Shivani, same thing itself. So all of you clear about this also? When powers are same, how to multiply and divide are the next 2 laws or next 2 rules. That also don't rot learn it. Understand it logically. 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. What is happening? 2 raised to 3 का meaning क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2. 3 raised to 3 का meaning क्या है? 3 into 3 into 3. इसको लॉजिकली थिंक किया तो एक 2 into 3 को पेयर कर सकता है, अनदर 2 into 3 को पेयर कर सकता है, अनदर 2 into 3 को पेयर कर सकता है. That means you are pairing it up and this is x 3 times, that is x raised to 3, that is 2 into 3 the whole raised to 3. Are you all understanding? If the powers are same, you can just club up what is there in the bases. The reason, understand it logically, don't by heart it. Is that clear, all of you? As I told, this reasons, if you are clearly understanding, same is the reasons for the logarithmic rules, base cancellation rule and all we have by hearted na. वो सब rules का logical understanding clear हो जाएगा because they are nothing but this rules itself. Exponential form का rules, logarithmic form में भी extend कर सकता है if you are clearly understanding this now. Okay, similarly division है तो भी same चीज़ें कर सकता है ना. 8 cube by 4 cube को 8 into 8 by 4 into 4 into 4 इसको split कर सकता है ना. 8 into 4 8 into 4 8 into 4 वो 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 8 into 4 not into 8 by 4 8 by 4 8 by 4 8 by 4 मल्टीप्लाई किया, so raised to 3. That is, if powers are same for division also, you can club up what is there in the bases. Is that clear, all of you? So that is 8 and 4 cancels, 2 cube, 8 will be the answer. So 4 things we have discussed. If bases are same, how to multiply and divide. If powers are same, how to multiply and divide. Hope that is clear to all. Now the next 2 rules are, when power of power comes, how to simplify. When power of power comes. Power of power means what? For example, 2 raised to 3 raised to 4. इसका 2 possibilities है. 2 raised to 3 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to 4. ये दोनों different है. Please understand. Some people make mistake here. They think that this and this are the same. They are not same. If you understand that wrongly, you will get a wrong answer. Let us understand what is this, what is the difference between this. First of all, this is 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to 4 na. The bracket means Botma's rule says bracket should be done first. So 2 raised to 3 should be done first. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 raised to 4. Are you all understanding 8 raised to 4 how? 8 raised to 4 is 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 4 times. That is 4096. Iska ye hai normal way. When bracket is there, bracket should be simplified first. Uske baad next row, next level should be done. This is power of power na. So bracket inside power should be done first. लेकिन उसका एक shortcut है, that is this. The shortcut is a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. ये power को multiply करके total लिया तो भी same मिलेगा. उसका reason actually 3 into 4 12 है ना. That 12 2 multiplied 12 times, that is a meaning. 2 multiplied 12 times, and this 8 raised to 4 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 ka 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 ka 4 times means that is again same thing itself. Na? Are you understanding? That is same thing itself. 2 multiplied 12 times. This is also 2 multiplied 12 times. That is why I told you, understand it by splitting with examples. Then it will be very easy to understand any rule. So this is a shortcut method only. m into n multiply करके उसका power लिया तो भी चलेगा. नहीं है तो a raised to m first simplify करो, उसके बाद उसका raised to n करो, दोनों same answer देगा. 4 raised to 4, 8 raised to 4 भी, 2 raised to 12 भी, दोनों 4096 है. I think that is clear, all of you. Please respond. So what about a raised to m raised to n? A raised to m raised to n क्या होगा? That means their order is not specified. Na? Bracket denotes the order. So here, whether a raised to m should be done first and then m raised to n, or m raised to n should be done first then a raised to that value. That is the confusion we have. And the order is top to bottom you need to simplify. When power of power or multiple powers are there, top to bottom is the order. That means m raised to n should be done first. Bracket I am denoting here to make you understand that the rule is topmost power first. So 2 raised to 3 raised to 4 ka 3 raised to 4 first karna hai. That is the convention. 3 raised to 4 is 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 raised to 81. Are you all understanding? So if it was one more power, say 2 raised to 2 raised to 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2 should be done first. That is 2 raised to 2 raised to 9. Then 2 raised to 9 should be done next. 2 raised to 9 is 512. So 2 raised to 512 will be the final expression. All clear? So that is how to deal with power of power, two different cases. Then these four are just for expressions. You should be clear about what is zeroth power, what is negative power, what is fractional power, what is mixed powers. Go through it please, all of you. All of you go through it once. Then I will explain. See whether you are getting it. Is it clear? Please go through it and tell me, is it clear or not? Examples are given right side. If not clear, mention which one is not clear. That I will explain in detail. All these things you have learned in school days. I am just reiterating it and explaining it in a logical way so that you will never forget it. All clear? So I'll summarize it very fast. A raised to 1 by m means what? A raised to 1 by m means it is mth root of a. For example, 125 raised to 1 by 3 means 125 raised to 1 by 3 means third root of 125. Yeah, that is where surds comes into play. What is surds? This is an example of a surd, where you are taking the root of it, where you cannot avoid the root. Yeah, you can avoid the root. Here actually it is not exactly surds, but the form I am saying. So cube root of 125 we can say. It is cube root of 125. Cube root of 125 means what? 5 na? Cube root of 125 means 5 का कौन सा power 125 देगा. That is the meaning. Sorry, कौन सा number का third root 125 देगा. कौन सा नंबर का थर्ड रूट 125 देगा? 5 का थर्ड रूट 125 देगा. So this is 5 will be the answer. One more example, if it is 64 raised to 1 by 2, what is the meaning of that? 64 का second root, square root, second root. Inside the root if I write 2 means square root. If nothing mentioned also, that is by default square root itself. So that means 64 का square root तो 8 है ना? कौन सा नंबर का स्क्वायर है 64? दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ 64 का स्क्वायर रूट. सो 8 का स्क्वायर है 64. देन सेम थिंग 64 रेज़ टू 1 by 3 क्या होगा? यू कैन मेंशन इन द चैट. 64 रेज़ टू 1 by 3 मीन्स व्हाट? 64 का क्यूब रूट. 64 का क्यूब रूट ना. 64 का क्यूब रूट मीन्स 64 का कौन सा नंबर का थर्ड पावर है 64? 4 का थर्ड पावर है 64. सो आई होप all of you understood fractional power clearly, or all of you already knew it. I hope it is clear now in case you have forgotten. Now what is negative power? What is negative power? Negative power means reciprocal of positive power. Negative power means reciprocal of positive power. For example, 4 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 4 raised to 2. That is 1 by 16. All of you clear? More examples I will give you. 5 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 5 square. That is 1 by 25. 6 raised to minus 3 means 1 by 6 cube. That is 1 by 216. 7 raised to minus 2 means 1 by 7 square. That is 1 by 49 and so on. So reciprocal of positive power is negative power. That also is clear. Then what is the third one? Fractional power. Fractional power, how to simplify it, that is what is demonstrated here. A raised to m by n ko a raised to m, then yeah, that actually is the extension of this rule itself. A raised to m raised to n is a raised to m into n. I will show you. For example, 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2. There are two ways of doing it. 4 raised to 3 by 2. 4 raised to 3 by 2 means, just to make you understand, that is 4 raised to 1.5 na. वो 4 raised to 1 और 4 raised to 2 के बीच में होना चाहिए ना. 4 raised to 1 और 4 raised to 2 के बीच में होना चाहिए. Are you getting the point? Just to give you a practical idea, I am telling like this. 4 raised to 1 क्या है? 4 है ना. 4 raised to 2 क्या है? 16 है ना. So 4 और 16 के बीच में होना चाहिए इसका आंसर. 4 और 16 के बीच में. Almost middle, approximately 8 you can estimate now. But this you can actually simplify it na. That simplification is what I am explaining. Listen very carefully. You can simplify it easily like this. 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to 1 by 2 लिख सकता है ना. Because we already know a raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. 3 into half is 3 by 2 ना. 3 into half is 3 by 2. So ऐसा लिखना भी गलत नहीं है ना, according to the rules that we have learned. 4 raised to 3 is what? 64. 64 raised to half means what? 64 ka square root. That is 8. That is exactly the value of this. And that is justifying this estimation we made. 4 और 16 के बीच में होना चाहिए. Always it will not be middle or anything we cannot say, but it will be between we can say. All clear? If that is clear, one more example I will give you. (125 raised to 2 by 3). Can you find it? 125 raised to 2 by 3. 125 raised to 2 by 3. All of you. (125 raised to 2 by 3). Yes, Muskan. ऐसा किया तो भी correct है. Yeah, that I will explain here. So many of you got it. 125 raised to 2 by 3 को दो तरीके से लिख सकता है. 125 raised to 1 by 3 the whole raised to 2. Another way is 125 square raised to 1 by 3. Both will give you the same answer itself. I took 2 by 3 को मैं split करके product कर रहा है 2 into 1 by 3 और 1 by 3 into 2. दोनों सही है ना. Even previous question also, when I told you 4 raised to 3 by 2, you can write it as 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to half or 4 raised to half the whole raised to 3. दोनों सही है क्योंकि 3 by 2 को 3 into half भी लिख सकता है, half into 3 भी लिख सकता है. दोनों सही है. दोनों का आंसर भी सेम आएगा. 64 का स्क्वायर रूट 8 मिला. अदरवाइज 4 का स्क्वायर रूट है ना 2. 2 cube 8. So which is easy to calculate, that you can choose. Here 125 square करना मुश्किल है ना. That is why this is better. 125 का क्यूब रूट लेना का easy है 5. 5 square is 25. लेकिन 125 का स्क्वायर कैलकुलेटर में करिए. 125 का स्क्वायर करके उसका क्यूब रूट लिया तो एक्सैक्ट 25 मिलेगा. Are you all understanding? Mixed fraction, how to simplify? Yes, Muskan. Mixed fraction, how to simplify? That is what this third rule is saying. A raised to m raised to n को nth root of a raised to m or mth power of nth root of a ऐसा भी लिख सकता है. दोनों सही है. Then finally 0th power of any number is 1. 0th power of any number. 2 raised to 0, 10 raised to 0, 22 raised to 0, all will be 1 itself. That you can prove it if you want. You can take, if you want to prove it, this is how you can prove it. Look at this. A raised to 0, 1 q है. A raised to x minus y 1 कब होगा? Think about it. A raised to x minus y. ये A raised to x minus y को A raised to x by A raised to y लिख सकता है ना. A raised to x by A raised to y. A raised to x by A raised to y equal होने के लिए A raised to x and A raised to y same होने, sorry, A raised to x by A raised to y 1 होने के लिए A raised to x should be equal to A raised to y ना. A same है, so power same होना ही चाहिए. That is a intuitive proof for x is equal to y. X is equal to y means A raised to 0 will be A raised to x minus x 1 itself. A raised to, sorry, Yeah, it's the other way around. When I told it wrong. This 1 will come only when it is 0. We can say x minus y is 0. So a raised to 0 is 1. That is an intuitive proof. Yeah, if you want a mathematical proof, let me know in the PDF. I will try to include it. But I hope it is clear. 0th power of any number will be 1. 0th power of any number will be 1. So itna laws of exponents clear hona chahiye. Itna laws of exponents clear hona chahiye. Then Surds, as I told, Surds is just a representation of exponents itself. Surds is just a representation of exponents itself. Values in the square root or cube root of any other roots which cannot be further simplified into whole numbers or integers are known as surd. Value of root 5. Root 5 is a surd. Because root 5 ko square root karke you cannot write it as a natural number or integer or a rational number. Sorry, it is a surd. So there are 3 types of surds in case you want, but this is not relevant in terms of GATE General Aptitude. Surds kya hai utna clear hona kafi hai. But if you want to read further, pure surds, mixed surds, compound surds, you can write. Pure surds means it will have only one surd in it. Mixed surds means surd plus rational number also included. And compound surds means it is having 2 surds in it. Root 5 plus root 7, etc. Okay. So that much is enough. Now we will see questions so that we can cover more concept with questions. So try this question. Yeah, I will start with a simple one. This one you try, GATE 2018 problem. All of you try it. 2 minutes time I will give you. 2 minutes time to try. Thus, if you want to be part of the Telegram channel, that link is tagged in the chat, and in the Telegram channel daily quizzes, daily free videos and daily PDF of the daily classes also will be uploaded. Okay, some of you got an answer. A plus A plus A plus A up to n times. This is repetitive addition. N times A is added, so we can say, in other words, this is n into A. Are you all agreeing that this is n into A? N into A equal to A square B. A and A cancels. N equal to AB you will get. Similarly here, B added M times, that is M into B. Multiplication is repetitive addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 3 into 4. 4 added 3 times is 3 into 4. Same way, B added M times is M into B. That is AB square. B and B cancels. M is equal to AB you will get. So keep this in mind, M and N value. Now let us see what is given. What is the value of M plus M plus M plus N, M added N times, N plus N plus N plus N added N times. Let us see that. Yeah, here the exponent idea is briefly only coming. So here n times m is added, that is n into m. M times n is added, that is m into n. Iska product, that is m square into n square hoga na. Now m and n is already given here. We found it already. So a square b square into a square b square itself, because m and n are ab. So m square n square will be a square b square into a square b square. That is a raised to 4 into b raised to 4. That is option B. Very simple, na? I don't know why majority didn't get an answer. It was a comparatively simple question. GATE 2018 this was asked. Then, yeah, let's try this kind of question. Try this GATE 2017 problem. All of you make a try. Some of you got an answer. Yeah, here we should be very skilled to simplify this. Otherwise, you can do one thing. If you think that general term simplification is difficult for you, elimination method से भी कर सकता है. But elimination से भी faster होगा if you do directly. I will show you the direct method first. First you need to observe. यहाँ पे x plus 2 है, यहाँ पे 2x plus 4 है. The laws of exponents are all applicable on same bases or same powers ना. लेकिन यहाँ पे same base same power directly नहीं दिया है. लेकिन if you look at it, this is 3 by 5, this is 16 by 25. 16 by 25, 3 by 5. Let us, so ये 5 और ये 5 square है ना. So we will write this as 4 by 5 the whole square. Shall I write it like this? 16 by 25 को 4 by 5 the whole square लिख सकता है. That into x plus 2. Into x plus 2 means raised to x plus 2. That means that is 2 times x plus 2 लिख सकता है ना. Because a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. Are you all agreeing? So shall I write it in one step? 2 into x plus 2. All of you are agreeing, please respond. 2 into x plus 2 means 2x plus 4. 4 by 5 into 2x plus 4, I can rewrite this expression as divided by 3 by 5 the whole raised to 2x by 2x plus 4. Now look at this. This powers are same na. This powers are same. 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4. Power same है तो definitely bases को combine कर सकता है. Do you remember? A raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m by n. A raised to m by b raised to n is a raised to n by a raised to m by b raised to m is a by b the whole raised to m. So we can apply that now. Before that, this 81 also I will take to the right side. I will write it as 144 by 81. Is that clear? Now you have two numbers to compare. Let's see. First of all, I can write 4 by 5 by 3 by 5 the whole raised to 2x plus 4. Understanding? Whole raised to 2x plus 4. 5 and 5 cancels. That means 4 by 3 only remains. Now 4 by 3 only remains. 4 by 3 raised to 2x plus 4 equal to, this is what? This is 144 and 81. First of all, you can cancel 9 out of it. Cancel 9 and simplify it, because AB 9 ka multiply, AB 9 ka multiply. So that will be 116 by 9. 16 by 9 I can write it as 4 by 3 the whole square. Yeah, you should be skillful in this, then only this question can be done faster. 4 by 3 the whole square. From where I got the inspiration to write it as 4 by 3 the whole square? क्योंकि ये left hand side में 4 by 3 है. बेस को सेम किया तो पावर को कंपेयर कर सकता है, इसलिए अभी बेस सेम है ना. ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 5 5 कैंसिल होके ये 4 by 3 है, ये भी 4 by 3 है, तो पावर्स को कंपेयर करना सही है. हाउ यू कैन कंपेयर? 2x plus 4 equal to 2, 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1, x equal to 1. Option A is the answer. All of you understood this? Yeah, I agree that if elimination done, as luckily first option is the answer, first option से stop कर सकता था. But if option 1 was there in another position, third one or fourth one, it will take a lot of time. Their direct method, if you do correctly, that is better. All of you clear? Elimination करना है तो I will just show you elimination method also very fast. Option A answer है तो substitute x equal to 1 wherever you see x. 81 into 16 by 25 raised to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 3 by 5 the whole raised to 2 plus 4 6 equal to 144. अभी भी simplification करना थोड़ा time लगेगा. First of all, you have to write this as again 4 by 5 the whole raised to 3 or 4 by 5 the whole raised to 2 the raised to 3. Then 6 combine कर सकता है. Then 81 taken to the other side. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. You can try it that way. So that is the elimination method. But elimination, sorry, did I make a mistake? Did I make a mistake in the previous step? Sorry, 1 second. The last step I made a mistake, na? I will write it down one more time. After simplifying, you will get 4 by 3 raised to 2x plus 4 equal to 4 by 3 raised to 4 by 3 raised to 16 by 9, na? 2. So 2x plus 4 equal to 2 is what I got. There, I think some mistake was there, na? 2x plus 4 equal to 2. Yeah, sorry. This part I made a mistake. 2x equal to minus 2. So x equal to not 1, it is minus 1. Option B will be the correct answer. Everything was correct, only that second last step there was a mistake. Correct it. 4 taken to the other side, it will not be plus 2, it will be minus 2. Because it was 2x plus 4, not 2x minus 4. So it is 2x plus 4 taken 4 taken to the other side. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Is that clear? X equal to minus 1, how? So as I told, direct method will be better here. Option B is the correct answer. So you have to try all the things on 2 options at least. Even if the option B is correct answer, it will take time. So लॉस ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट्स क्लियर होना चाहिए था वो क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. ये क्वेश्चन करिए, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है क्वेश्चन है. ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई दिस. आई विल गिव यू 2 minutes. Okay, the time is up. So this question actually can be done with logarithm also. That way I will teach you tomorrow how to do this question with logarithm. That I will discuss tomorrow. So here I will discuss how to do it without logarithm by an estimation technique. X is a 30-digit number starting with the digit 4 followed by the digit 7. So 4 and 7 are the first two digits. Starting with 4 and followed by 7. Then the number x cube will have. So 47. For example, I will take all other numbers 0. For example. Because that is a minimum possibility starting with 4 and 7. Na? Are you getting? All others will be 0 is the minimum possibility. वो minimum possibility के लिए कितना digits है वो काफ़ी है to find the answer. Bare minimum that many digits should be there. So this how you can simplify. Actually, if you have as in GATE exam as virtual calculator is there, this is doable in different ways. So 1 second. So this you can write it as 47 into 10 raised to 28. Now, are you all agreeing 47 into 10 raised to 28? 47 into 10 raised to 28 is our x. हमें ये x का क्यूब निकालना है. That will be 47 cube into 10 raised to 28 cube ना. That is 28 cube means 28 into 3, 84. Are you all understanding that? How we did that? Because a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m a raised to m into b raised to m is a into b the whole raised to m. So you can split it in the other way also na. 47 into 10 raised to 28 the whole cube is 47 cube into 10 raised to 28 the whole cube. Are you all understanding? That is 47 cube into 10 raised to 84. 10 raised to 84 means 84 zeros. So how many digits are there? 47 cube. That is enough to answer the question na. That in my opinion as virtual calculator is provided, you can do it with virtual calculator. 47 cube fine करो, वो एक 6 digit number होगा. Are you all understanding what I am saying? All of you please respond. वो एक 6 digit number होगा. वो 6 digit number है तो 6 digits A, B, C, D, E, F are the 6 digits means 6 digits followed by 84 zeros. That is 84 plus 6, 90 digits. Na? All of you are clear about this? Swati, you can take all the rest are 7 also. No, actually here it is not specified. All the rest is 7 or the next immediate one only is 7. Yeah, if you take all the rest as 7 also, that will not change the answer, I guess. Check it out. That is a little ambiguous, na? Whether they mean all the rest of the digits are 7 or next digit 7, next other digits can be anything. Okay, anyway, okay, one thing. If virtual calculator was not available in case and you want to estimate this, you can do that estimation also. How you can do the estimation? Listen carefully. 47 cube है ना, 40 cube क्या होगा? 64,000 है ना. 50 cube क्या होगा? 50 cube will be 125,000. That is a 6 digit number. 47 cube is more closer to 50 cube. So there is high chance that it will be a 6 digit number itself. Are you getting the point? That way you can estimate. Actually there are techniques in Vedic maths to find the cube of the number itself. But that technique is time consuming. As GATE exam provide virtual calculator, we will not spare more time on this. 47 cube nikalo, that itself is fine. All of you clear? Any doubts please mention in the chat. Let me check the chat. (47 cube) when you calculate it, you will get almost 100 range, 100,000 range, 103,000 something you will get. 103,000 something is, that's a 6 digit number obviously. All of you clear? Yeah, if you think all other digits are 7 also, then also the answer is same itself. It will be 90 digit number itself. Yes, Yuvanesh. yes risky, that is also true. 90 से smaller number available भी नहीं है option में, so 90 only will be the possibility. Then we will see, yeah, this one you try. This is a very good question. Try this, all of you. Those of you want to download the mobile application where more resources are provided, uska link also is given in the live chat. And make sure all of you are subscribing the channel for live interaction and other features. Subscribing channel will be helpful, and subscribing the channel will help the channel also to provide more content, and it will be encouraging for me also if more people are joining the channel and subscribing the channel. Just a minute, the title. Some of you got the answer. Here also, after learning logarithm, using logarithm also you can do it. Now we will do without logarithm, because next class we will be discussing logarithm. P raised to minus x is what? 1 by p na? 1 by p raised to x na? That is clear na? We have discussed a raised to minus m is 1 by a raised to m. And q raised to minus y is 1 by q raised to y equal to 1 by r. And here it is 1 by r raised to z equal to 1 by p. So 1 by x equal to 1 by y means x and y are equal. So I can write p raised to x as q itself, and q raised to y is r itself, and r raised to z is p itself. All of you are understanding this? Please respond. We need to find the value of x into y into z. X into y into z is what you need to find. Just a minute. Yeah, logarithm will be the easier way. So I think we can devote logarithmic way itself, because we need to get x into y into z, right? But x and y and z are in the powers. So one way is you can do substitution to get x into y. Substitution means instead of p, you can substitute r raised to z. Let's see that way whether that will work well. Otherwise we can go on logarithm itself. So r raised to z, ये p के जगह substitute किया तो r raised to z raised to x मिलेगा ना? R raised to z raised to x, and this r is what? Q raised to y. Substitute that, q raised to y raised to z raised to x. That is equal to what? Q. What we did? p raised to x के जगह p के जगह r raised to z substitute किया. First equation पे, only first equation I am substituting everything. p के जगह r raised to z substitute किया, and that r raised to z का मतलब इसका right hand side q है, that r raised to z का r के जगह q raised to y, r is q raised to y ना, substitute किया. That means this is equal to q. अभी power of power है. How to deal with power of power I told you. Z into x, bracket is there, so z into x and y into z into x, that is q raised to y into z into x equal to q. Q means q raised to 1 na, bases are same, so powers को compare करना सही है. Y into Z into X, Y into Z into X and X into Y into Z are same ना. X into Y into Z is equal to 1. This is how to do without logarithm. With logarithm also you can do. This itself is easy. If you understood that power of idea very clear, then this is simple. If that is not clear, then use logarithm. That I will teach you tomorrow. All clear? Please respond. How option C is the answer? Is it clear or not? If that is clear, one more similar question was asked in 2016 GATE exam. Try this, all of you. Yeah, this is almost the same itself, na? Is it the same? Check it out. If it is same, we will skip it. This was asked in 2016. Previous question was in 2018. Okay, Shivani. Okay, that way also you can proceed. It's all about x into y into z को एक साथ मिलना चाहिए. उसके लिए क्या कर सकता है? That is what you need to think about. Logarithm करके x को base में ला सकता है. That is how logarithmically you can do it. Otherwise, as I have shown you, equation into equation you are substituting. Otherwise, what you people told multiplying also, I think you will get it. Yes, Shayishta, that is also correct. That is what Shivani was mentioning. That approach is also correct. Same itself, na? That means a repetition question. XYZ का जगह यहाँ पे ABC है. So same itself. So I don't have to explain, na? But see the concept repetition, or it is like same dicto question itself. Only XYZ changed as ABC. So same process itself. 1 by करो, उसके बाद power of power करके कर सकता है, नहीं है तो multiply करके भी कर सकता है. Anyway, finally question is asking A into B into C itself. A into B into C will be 1 itself. So I'm not repeating, as it is the same question itself. Most of you got it. Option C, 1 will be the correct answer. If that is clear, try this question. This is an interesting one. 1 minute will be more than enough. Simple question. Different answers I can see in the chat. Let's see. Yeah, it's normal to get confused here. A simple question, but it is enough to confuse us. So when you are getting confused, what I will suggest you is you can connect it with some other units which are more relatable to you. More relatable to you. I will explain. Okay, I think all of you have tried. So I'll start explaining. Given 9 inches raised to half equal to 0.25 yards raised to half. Raised to half means square root, no? Square root. So 9 inches का square root equal to 0.25 yards का square roots. So which among the following is correct? So you can square both sides, obviously. You can square both sides because the options are all not in roots. Squaring both sides, you will get 9 inches equal to 0.25 yards. Whichever option says so is the correct answer, option C. Now I understand many of you have doubt why option A is not the answer. Why you didn't square root 9? Why you didn't square root 0.25 also? For those people, I will give you an example. Listen very carefully. Then you will avoid the confusion. If 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 minute is 60 seconds, na? If I square root this, will you say 1 ka square root minutes will be 60 ka square root seconds? If you say so, tell me whether that is correct. 1 ka square root 1 itself, that is 1 minute equal to 60 ka square root, 64 ka square root 8 hai. So 60 का square root 8 से थोड़ा कम है, 7.7 approximately. That means you are proving here that 1 minute is 7.7 seconds also. Then it will be very comfortable na, to do work. If 60 minutes is the work, you have to work not for 1 hour. You have to work for 60 into 7.7 seconds only. Are you understanding the contradiction we are getting? Those of you did square root for those numbers, why that is wrong I was explaining. Because together is that square root, not only for that values. So you can square both sides so that that square root can be avoided. Not only minute, second, you can take any examples. 1 kilometer or you take 4 kilometer kya hai? 4 kilometer 4000 meter hai na? If that 1 is trivial and you are getting confused. इसका square root भी सही होना चाहिए ना. और इसका square root को you cannot say 4 का square root 2 kilometer equal to 4000 का square root 20 meter. 4000 का square root is 20 meter ना. Are you all understanding? Sorry, not 20. 400 का square root है 20. 4000 का square root is like 3600 is 60 square root. It is 60 something. 60 something means 63 approximately, just for estimating. But 2 kilometer is never 63 meter, na? Are you getting the point? Those of you got option A, why it is wrong, I am giving you counter examples to counter your argument. That is how you can do this in real also. A question में doubt है तो it is normal to have that doubt. ये 9 का भी square root लेना है या 0.25 का भी square root लेना है. Square root ऐसा लिया तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे inches और yards, most of us are not connected to inches and yards unit. That is why I told you, think about another unit and compare, then it will be easy. Another unit that is relatable. So only option C can be correct. Because what is there in the square root you should not be concerned about. Whatever it is, if you square it, that square root will cancel out only. Because mathematically speaking, what is happening is, when you square both sides, 1 by 2 and 2 get cancelled. What is inside is not affected at all. Mathematically also that is justified. Understanding? So, that is why I told you, when you learn something, understand it and learn. Don't rot learn it. Rot learn किया तो और confusion होने का chances है. Yes, Muskan. So try this. This is an interesting one. A beautiful question checking your understanding about laws of exponents. So happy to hear you, Vinesh. If you people are feeling that this sessions or this course is useful, do recommend it to maximum people. Spread the word, because as I told, this is a gentle initiative or a humble initiative. It is not part of an institute or anything. I am running this course and seeing whether more people will be interested. Then we will plan for more future free courses through this channel. So all of you take an effort to let others know about this course. So 1.001 raised to 1259 is given 3.52. 1.001 itself, matlab when you see that the bases are same. So something related to bases same we have to apply, we get the idea directly. Then what is 1.001 raised to 3321? That is the question. So here you should observe ये base same है, इसका power compare किया तो ये दो powers का sum है ये. That is the observation we should make. 1259 2062 add किया तो 3321 ही मिलेगा. That means if this is a raised to x, this is a raised to y, this is a raised to x plus y. So answer क्या होगा? Should I add this? That is the mistake some people can make. I think that option is also present in the options. A raised to x plus a raised to y नहीं है a raised to x plus y. Just think 2 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 4. Is it 2 raised to 3 plus 4? Then that will be so absurd, na? 2 raised to 3 8 plus 2 raised to 4 16. 8 plus 16 is 24 only. 2 raised to 7 or 2 raised to 3 plus 4 is 128. They are not equal. We have discussed, na? It is actually a raised to x into a raised to y. A raised to x into a raised to y करना है. A raised to x into a raised to y only is a raised to x plus y. What we have discussed in the beginning of the class. That means ये मिलने के लिए you need to multiply these two. Multiply these two means इसका right hand side मिलने के लिए you have to multiply the right hand sides of this. 3.52 into 7.85. So इसका product होगा answer. Now virtual calculator gate में available है, so you can multiply it literally and you will get option D. Otherwise virtual calculator नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. Look at the options. Without virtual calculator you can do it, because entering this much values in virtual calculator take 30 seconds at least. But why? Because virtual calculator, as I told earlier, it is not that easy. Using mouse you have to put 3.52 into 7.85, 7 characters you have to enter. That will take some time. Instead you can just think 3 or 7 था तो 21 होगा ना product. 3.52 into 7.85 21 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. ये देखो 21 से ज़्यादा एक ही option है. That is purposefully set like that. Only one option greater than 21, because those people who are smarter can avoid using calculator. इसलिए ऐसा दिया है. I hope it is clear. If that is clear, yeah, this one I have given homework in the mathematical series chapter. Now you will be able to do this question better also, because surds we got little more practice about surds and exponents. ये question में भी surds आ रहा है. So try this now. I have given this homework, maybe many of you have tried already, I don't know. Try this all of you now. ये सीरीज में सर्ट्स इन्वॉल्व है, सो सीरीज भी सीरीज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन भी है, सर्ट्स इन्वॉल्व क्वेश्चन भी है. Thus if you missed the lecture on mathematical sequence and series, in this playlist it is available. The full playlist link also is available in the description of this video. If you have missed any lectures, that playlist you can check out and watch that. In mathematical series, idea of this was discussed, but Surds was not there in any of those questions. That is why I have left that question to this lecture. The cancellation idea I have taught there, you can apply here also. But for cancellation के लिए first rationalize करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, speaking of Surds, some people make mistakes like this. They think that, for example, if I take root x plus root y, that is not equal to root x plus y. That is wrong. Same problem power also. X raised to a plus x raised to y, x raised to y raised to a is not x plus y the whole raised to a. It is multiplication, na? Similarly, subtraction also you cannot subtract like that. Division also you cannot divide like that. Multiplication also you cannot divide like that. But rationalizing Surds is possible. What I am saying is, in case anyone think why can't we add denominator, first of all denominators ऐसा add नहीं कर सकता. Or why can't we add 1 plus 2 square root, you can write, can't we write root 3, root 5, root 7, वो भी possible नहीं है क्योंकि Surds cannot be added like that. Because powers cannot be added, same reason as I told, 2 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 4 is not 2 raised to 7. Same way, cube root of 2 plus cube root of 4 be cube root 7th root of 2 nahi hai. Same, that is what I am telling. So that all is not possible, but rationalizing Surds is an important thing. How to rationalize a Surd? यहाँ पे ये denominator वाला Surds को cancel करना है. कैसा कर सकता है? ये 1 plus root 1 plus root 2 है ना, root 1 plus root 2 को root 1 minus root 2 से multiply किया तो 1 by root 1 plus root 2 को root 1 minus root 2 से multiply करना है. Yeah, in school days you had some names for this. I forgot the name. If you remember, you can comment it. So this method का एक name भी था. Anyway, whatever be the name, we are rationalizing. That's the effect that is happening. ये देखो अभी a plus b into a minus b form है ना. That is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means this denominator will become 1 minus 2 only, because root 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. So 1 minus 2. And numerator will become root 1 minus root 2. And some of you may be thinking, denominator वाला root numerator में आया, उसमें क्या speciality है? क्योंकि numerator में आया तो वो cancellation easy हो जाएगा. Denominator में cancellation ऐसा नहीं कर सकता, but numerator में कर सकता है. That is why. So, if you understood the first pair, can you do the same for second, third and all other 80 pairs available here? So, shall I write it directly to save time? First one will be root 1 minus root 2 divided by minus 1 plus this also 2 minus 3 will be the new denominator if you multiply it by root 2 minus root 3. Numerator में root 2 minus root 3 मिलेगा. So root 2 minus root 3 in the numerator divided by minus 1 itself. Are you agreeing that? Similarly, root 3 minus root 4 divided by minus 1 itself, because 3 minus 4 is going to be minus 1. That is why denominator I directly write, etc. up to root 80 minus root 81 divided by minus 1 itself. All of you are agreeing? ये डिनोमिनेटर में ये माइनस 1 थोड़ा इनकन्वीनियंट है, सो वो न्यूमरेटर में कर दीजिए. न्यूमरेटर में ये माइनस इंटू कर सकता है ना, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो डिनोमिनेटर वाला माइनस डिलीट हो जाएगा. डिनोमिनेटर ऑल विल बी 1 itself, बट देयर विल बी अ कॉमन माइनस इन आउटसाइड यू कैन टेक, सो दैट नथिंग एल्स हैव अ कंफ्यूजन. वो माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को. अभी डिनोमिनेटर 1 है, कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर है, अदरवाइज ऑल्सो इट इज कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर, बट टू अवॉइड द कंफ्यूजन ऑफ minus 1 I am taking minus to the numerator. By numerator and denominator multiplying by minus, denominator minus will become on the numerator. So now look at this. This is root 1 minus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus root 4 plus up to root 80 minus root 81. Just to make you understand, root 80 minus root 81 के पहले root 79 minus root 80 होगा. Now look at this, you can cancel a lot of terms na. Minus root 2 plus root 2, minus root 3 plus root 3, minus root 4 plus root 4, minus root minus root 80 plus root 80. Root 79 minus root 79 will be there before that. So all terms except first term and last term will remain. And minus is there, please remember. So minus of root of 1 minus root of 81 is the answer. So that I can write it as root of 1 is what? 1. 1 minus 9 minus of it. Minus 8 minus will be plus 8. So plus 8 will be the answer. Is that clear? Interesting question now. Yes, Shaishta. Yeah, rationalizing itself was the term we have used in school days. Nah? Okay, fine. So that is roots, surds and exponents chapter. Iska continuation hai logarithm. Most probably tomorrow Saturday class will be there. Diwali also class will be there because we need to complete this course. Yeah, I will tell you my plan. By November 10th, maximum by November 10th, I am trying to complete non-verbal ability by taking continuous classes. If I will try my maximum to complete by November 10 non-verbal ability topic. That is the first 40 lectures. In case it get postponed, please adjust with that. After that verbal ability ka 10 lectures मेरा schedule में मैं दिया था. That will be in different weekends or in between, because due to some personal reasons I cannot take continuous classes after that. But before your gate exam, verbal ability will also be covered. First non-verbal ability complete finish karega. That daily classes as much as possible. In between 1 or 2 days I have to take off, but as much as possible daily classes. Please encourage me, because health reasons or health issues are also there. But do encourage me, because daily a lot of classes are there. So your encouragement is a big support for me to take more free classes and take more quality content. So continue encouraging, and many of us are doing after the class what you felt about the class. You are sincerely commenting. Keep it up and continue doing it. Whatever you felt, you can tell positive or negative. It is not like you should only tell positive. Whatever you felt about the course, do comment on the video. Daily you can do that. That will be very useful and that will be very encouraging. And moreover, that will be very encouraging for YouTube also to know that this course is useful for others. And a new student, when they check the comment section, they will be knowing that, okay, these things are taught in this video. So it is good to watch this video. So that is why try to mention what you felt about the class, what you learned about the class if possible also. So yeah, actually let me tell you, Diwali, if I give leave, the thing is that we will not be able to cover the topics more. As I told, after November 10th, I have to also take a break, and after that, so by November 10th, if you want more content to be covered, even Monday also I should take class. I am also sacrificing my celebrations and other time for you people. So in case you cannot attend, don't worry, uska recording check kariye. Recording you can watch it. So due to Diwali or due to any reasons, if you are missing any lecture, that lecture ka recording dekh lijiye. Please watch the recording of the missed lecture. Then there is no problems. Or 1 or 2 days, in case you cannot attend it, watch the recording. Let's continue the classes. Otherwise, it will be difficult to finish. As I told, I had to take a lot of effort to continue these classes without breaking the flow. Even if I have a lot of other classes daily to take, even in other platforms, even in some universities and colleges, I have to give talks and all those things are coming in between. In between, I have to find time for you people. So when I get time, I will take class. So when I don't get time, I have to skip the class also. So that is why I will continue classes even this Monday, Tuesday. I will try maximum. Saturday bhi class hoga, ya Sunday bhi class most probably hoga. Monday also most probably class will be there. In case class is not there, I will update you in Telegram channel. In case any days ka lecture reschedule or दूसरा time में है तो भी 11 o'clock के जगह दूसरा एक time है तो भी please check it in the Telegram channel so that you don't miss the live class. So Yeah, and those of you are CSIR-NET aspirants, my CSIR-NET courses are there in the Unacademy Plus platform. Complete courses running at 8:30 a.m. Practice courses running at 2 p.m. Full-length courses are running in the Plus platform. 65 courses already, and capsule courses on all topics. 5 to 10 lectures on single topic itself are available as capsule courses. All these you can access, and GATE ka courses वहाँ भी दिया है, DBT Vedic Math का courses भी दिया है. All these you can access by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10 or CC10 Life, which will give you maximum discount. And not only my classes, all educators, all courses you can access by the same subscription. So those of you who want to attend CSIR-NET courses, be part of the Plus platform of CSIR-NET category in Unacademy. GATE course only if you are focusing, this YouTube course itself will be sufficient for you. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Let me check the comments. Risky, I will try my maximum. I'm not promising, because Monday, if possible, I will take class. Let me consider if we can complete the courses as per the plan. Even if I give leave on Monday, then I will do that, but I cannot guarantee you. In case I'm taking class on Monday, watch the recording later. That is my suggestion. So, okay, Muskan. Monday I will try if timing can be changed by Biotechy, but I cannot guarantee anything as of now, because I have to consider many other things. So happy to hear, Rohima. Thank you all of you for the good words and encouragement, and happy Diwali in advance, everyone. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.